Chapter number 8, Beginning of Settled Life. Let's see first beginning of domestication of animals and agriculture. There are 3 steps in domestication of animals, and they are: first, capture of the wild animals. For this process, ancient people was going in jungle, they was captured wild animal and they was keeping with them, giving them training, and they was ready to be a domestic animal. Second, taming of captured animals. Taming means easier to control them. Means they was giving them training to live with humans. And third, they was giving training them to work as beast of burden for human beings. After these 3 process or these 3 steps, that wild animal was ready to be used in agriculture or in field. Next, agriculture. Agriculture began in Israel and Iraq about 11,000 years ago. Women started cultivation by using pointed sticks to sow seeds, as you can see in this picture. Agricultural production increased extent large in size or in amount after the plug pulled by animals came into use. Agriculture became the main source of livelihood, and for good crops people worshipped nature and various deities. Deities means various god for good crops. Sharing of agricultural tasks and water resources and the security of village settlement become important. For this purpose, rules were formed. Social system based on agriculture came into extent. Next, skill-based occupations. It became possible to store food grains, and as a result, some men and women use their spare time to develop special skills. Those arrows crafts like making earthen pots and earthen objects undertaken by women. Next, community life based on mutual cooperation. Farmers who produced surplus food needed agriculture equipments and their repairs. Such craftsmen were paid for their services in the form of food grain or other articles. The craftsmen obtained their raw material by paying in form of articles or food grains. This system of buying and selling is known as the barter system. It was used all buying and selling transactions. Most village settlements obtained salt from faraway places by the salt trades by exchanging other articles. The salt trade helped in expansion of trade in the New Stone Age. The village community formed rules for mutual cooperation. These rules were implemented by village chiefs, who were also responsible for protection of the village. Protective walls and moats around the village were built for protection from floods, wild animals, and outsiders who stole the village cattle. Next, structure of houses. Houses in the beginning were made of wattle and duck. The screens woven from sticks, bamboo, plastered with mud or cow dung served as wall. Later people built quadrangular houses of sun-dried bricks having more than one room. Regional differences in the style of constructing houses were due to the differences in local climate. Next, village settlement, kinship and family. People staying in village settlement belong to a single clan. Clan means interrelated families and related to each other. The entire village settlement was an extended family. Dead persons were buried either in house or in the courtyard with various articles for use even after death. Hope you understood our lesson. Thank you.